Morning, afternoon, evening people, welcome back to the channel. It's your first time here. I'm Tony, this is Teddy. In today's video I'm going to show you how I grew this giant zucchini. Now, those plants were planted from seed on the 9th of March. It's from my own saved seed. I'll put a link to the video where I did save the seed on the screen up here at the end of this video if you want to see that. And the reason I've grown this big zucchini is for that reason. I want to save seed. Now I have harvested lots and lots and lots, I've lost count, of normal kind of size zucchini courgettes. Absolutely beautiful roasted. So let me show you how I got these seeds on and got those growing. Now I planted from seed on the 9th of March. Let's get that sort of compressed into the pot a little bit. Okay, so both pots filled up to pretty much the same level. What we're going to do, poke a hole in the middle, drop our seed in, point the end up, cover it over. Pour that in. Giving them both roughly the same amount of water. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to pop these on a south facing windowsill. We're going to see how they get on. Now today's the 10th of April and it's chucking down. Really windy, lots of rain. It's rained all day and by the look of it, it's not going to stop. So me and Teddy are in the polytunnel. Teddy's over there. Teddy, come here. Come on. So we're in here staying dry. Anyway, so let's get them planted. I'm going to plant them at the back here. These two plants you can see are also both zucchini. So we plant them at the back behind these two. See how well they do. Now this area has been dressed with 12-month-old cow manure. If you'd seen my video the other day where I planted the grapes, you would have seen me dress this. So let's find something to mark up with, get our hand shovel, and we're going to get them planted. So I've got some bloodfish and bone delivered today. Quite a good price, 2.5 kilos I think was £13 on Amazon. I'll link it in the description. So we are going to dig a hole, handful of bloodfish and bone in the bottom of the hole. So open up, comes in a bag in there. Which will open up. Teddy loves the smell of bloodfish and bone for some reason. There's a really good sniff of it anytime you open some. Anyway, so there's a BFB. Let's dig our holes. I'm going to go at the back here. I'm going to need quite a sizable hole. As you can see, they're in quite big pots. think the depth on that is about right. So sprinkle of bloodfish and bone in the bottom of that. I'm going to do 8 first on the left. Let's have a look at the roots. Okay, you can see quite a nice, good, strong root ball there. Put that in. Backfill around it. Obviously, as I said before, this was dressed with 12-month-old cow manure. So all this around it is cow manure. Next, in with the love. I think that's about right. Bit of bloodfish bone. Let's have a look at the root system on this. Again, nice, good, strong root system. Again, I'm going to backfill around it. Now I'm going to weigh this when I get home, and I will put the weight on the screen. Nick the Gardener, if you're watching, I'll link Nick's channel in the description of the video. This was part of Nick the Gardener's Love-Hate Challenge, and this plant that this zucchini's off is the hate plant. So if you enjoyed that video, you want to see more gardening videos, give us a big thumbs up, hit subscribe. If you want to see the video where I did save the seed from this, I'll put it up here. Thanks for watching.